Welcome and thank you for volunteering to be a HOSA judge. I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to sign up to be a judge for HOSA. If you judge for California Regional Conference, click on Account. This will bring you to the Sign Into Your Judge page. At this time, you will need to reset your password since a temporary password was set to register you for California's Regional Conference. To do this, click on Forgot Username or Password. Enter your email address and then click Send My Link. Once you click that, go to your email and click on the link to reset your password. Now, once you have your password, you're going to go back to the login page and you're going to enter your username and your password. You're going to log in, and then you will notice the conferences that are open on the bottom of the page for judging. In this case, you are going to choose 2023 Cal-HOSA SLC Sacramento. Now notice, you are going to be signing up for this conference to judge, and it's in March of 2023. You need to have a company or association. So if it's not already in there, you need to go to your little person on the top right-hand corner, edit your profile, and add a company or association that you are affiliated with. Once you do that, you're going to click Save, and then you're going to click the triangle over there on the side to the left, and now you're going to go back to the conference that you want to judge for. You're going to confirm that it's the Sacramento conference. You're going to scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to see all the events that are offered for SLC that we need judges for. So you're going to notice some information about each of these events. They're going to say a round. It could be a round 1 or round 2. Round 2's most likely be in person at the conference, and it will give you the date and time of the orientation and the location where you're going to meet at the conference, and then the date and time when the competitors will start competing. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, you're going to notice some events that begin with ILC. Those events, they have a round 1 that's going to be prejudged virtually. And so you're going to notice that the orientation will be on a certain date at a time, and the location is going to be a Zoom. So you will later get a Zoom link closer to the time of that orientation. Notice that the competition has a large window. It's from the 5th through the 10th. That will be the amount of time you have to judge these students for this prejudging round. So click on the events that you want to judge, that you're interested in. This does not mean that these are the events you will actually be assigned to. Then hit register. You will get a confirmation email that says that you have registered and are interested in these events. Once you have been assigned to the events, you will get another email that will have a link in there for you to confirm that you have agreed and are available to still judge these events. And thank you again for all the hard work and volunteering to be a judge for HOSA.